Welcome back, everybody, to Funk Puzzles, where the funk never stops. Today, we have the USA Today, Wednesday, August 2nd, 2023 puzzles. I will be using pen again, so I have to be careful. I'm using pen because I want to make sure that you guys can see. I don't know if the lighting's good enough. The video yesterday, I did notice that came through, but we'll just have to be careful. I just want to make sure that everybody can see what I'm doing really good. As usual, actually, kubok is hard. I usually start with that, but that's hard. I'm going to give myself an hour time limit. I don't want to spend too much of your time or mine to see what I can get on here. I don't have a timer, so I can just look at a clock. And because of that, this could take me a while. Once they get to hard, it's kind of funny because medium is like usually pretty easy, but once it gets to hard, you can get some extremely hard ones. So without delay, let's get started. We'll start with Ken-Ken. Ken-Ken is a very simple game. All you have to do is you have the numbers 1 through 4. You have to have each one in each column and row, and it cannot repeat. And you have to add up in the box, or you have to come to the arithmetic sum of whatever's in the box. So here we have 3. Here you have 32 times. So you have to have 3 numbers that when they're all times together equal 32. 1 minus 2 numbers that when they're minus together equal 1. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's get started. I'll zoom in on this Ken-Ken for you so you can see it a little better. Shoot. Sorry about that. Okay, hopefully I didn't disrupt things. Okay, let's go. Ken-Ken. They give us 1 for free. 3. They give us 2 for free. That's gonna be pretty good then. 32. 32 could be. I gotta get my coffee. 32 could be 2, 4, 4, right? 4 times 4 is 16 times 2 is that. Is there any other way to get with those? 3, 3. I don't think so. I think you have to have, yeah. So you have to have that. So it's 2, 4, 4. And because of that, we know that 4 can't repeat. So it's here and here. So again, I need 3 numbers that end up, when they're multiplied, equal 32. So 4 times 4 is 16 times 2 is 32. Can't be 3 because then it would be too big. 3 times 3, there's no way to get it from there, so I know this is the only combination there. And this is 1, that means this must be 2. This can't be 3, so this is 3. This is 1. This is 1. This is 3, so that means this is 4 and 3 here. This has to be 4 and 3 here. Same rule again. 3 can't be here. It'd be 2 in the same row. I need a 1 here, a 2, 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2. So that was pretty straightforward and easy. Okay, we'll switch over to the easy Sudoku. It's got a rating of 3, but this is only a box of 6. So if you don't know Sudoku, in every row and column, you have to have, for this one, the numbers 1 through 6. And there's also these boxes. I'll kind of highlight it here. You can kind of see them. There's 1 there, 1 there, etc., going down. And in each of those boxes, you have to have numbers 1 to 6. Nothing can repeat. So here we have 4. They're giving us to us. They're giving us 3 here. So we need a 4 down here. The 4 can only be by elimination here. And I'll just go with these 4 since it seems like there's a lot of them. So 4s are done. 3, 3, 3. So 3 is over here somewhere. I don't know where. 3 is over here somewhere. I don't know where. 5, 5 by elimination. 5 is over here. I don't know where. 5 is down here. 6 is open. Yeah, 6 is actually pretty open. So it must be in the earlier ones. Oh, obviously they gave us 1 here. I didn't even notice it. So 1 is 6 here. 1 can't be here, so it's here. 1, 6. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now let's take a look at that. 3 again. 3 is still in here. 6 must be here. So 3 and 5 are left here. We don't know where they go yet. This is the 1. This is a 1. 4. Let's see. Just real quick, I don't have any order here. It's all kind of chaotic. That's a 2. 3 and 5. 3, 5. Oh, that was even given to us. This is given to us now. 3, 5. This is the 5. And 2, 3. I need a 3 in here. And of course, the 6 is over here. That's pretty straightforward, right? Okay. Today's Sudoku. 3 of them. should be okay to do. We'll go ahead. Rules of Sudoku. Now we have a box of 9. You can see the box right here. And of course, this 3x3 box is repeated. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3x3, 1 through 9 in each box, row, and column cannot repeat in any of those. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get started. 1, 1, 1, 1. Ones are here. So I like to just take various methods. I usually just start through the numbers until I see something obvious, and then I'll just divert my path. So here it's just a matter of elimination. That's what I usually do in the beginning. See what easy ones are giving me. So like 2, 2, 2s are down here. Can't get an easy one, so I'm going to ignore it. 2, 2, 2s are over here. Nothing really there. 2, no 2s here. So I'm just looking for super easy ones to start with. That's just my method. So here's an interesting one. 2's out, 2's out. That means 2's here. That eliminates 2 from here. Okay, but it's still like 2 could be over here now, which, doesn't help me too much right now. 3, 3, here's an easy one. This is kind of the ones I'm looking for right now, just to get the super duper easy ones. 3, 3, no. 3, no. 3, no. 3, no. 4, let's see, there's not many 4s, so I'm not going to be able to get anything. There's only 1 4. 5, 5, 5s, no. Wait a second, I missed the 5. 5, 5, 5. 5, yes, there's a 5 here, so it wipes out there. This 5 wipes out here, this 5 wipes out here. Now this is knocked down to these 2 5s. There's not anything in there. This is also knocked down to these 2 5s. This, 2 5s, 2 5s. That's called an X-wing pair, right? We got this pair here. It's like an X. Is that what you call that? I always forget. Maybe it is. Whatever it is, these pairs match. So the 5 must be here or here, or 5 must be here or here. I think that's called X-wing, yeah. So that means the 5 has to be down here then, okay? So there is a 5 down here, but we know the 5's here by elimination, over, over, over. It can only be there. And because the 5 must be down there, the 5 is here. Okay, so 5s are good to us. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So there's been a lot of good freebies today, but that doesn't mean anything because it could mean that in a moment we're going to get something really tough. 6, 6, 6, 6, but maybe not. 6, 6. Maybe this is one where you just go through elimination. Some people don't do that. 7. Everybody has their own method for doing Sudoku. I watch a show called Cracking the Cryptic where these guys are just, I mean, they're amazing at doing this stuff. So 8. So I'm doing something a little unusual here. I know there has to be an 8 in this column, so I'm diverting from my method. Remember I said I'll take the easy method until I start diverting? Well, this I know needs a 3 and an 8, but the 8 can't be here. An 8 can't be in here because of the box. It would be double in this box. Can't be here, it'd be double in this row, so 8 must be here. So now we have 4 and 3. Unfortunately, those I can't get. So now I just have that 8. Go through, start this up again. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8's down here, but 8's over here now because of that. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8's are done. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Wow, this seems to be unusually smooth today, but I don't want to say anything. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, because as soon as I say something, I'll jinx myself. I'm one of those people, I do believe in jinx. So the 9's are out, and then the 9's here, and then the 9's are here. So I don't have anything there. Okay. 6s. Did I ever do 6s? I think I did. Did I do 7s? I don't think I did 7s. 7, 7, so 7s are here. 7s. I don't have much for 7s, right? I don't. No. Okay, so let's start looking at some other things that we have here. So we know in this row we need a 7 and a 4. That's the only thing that's left in this row. But the 4 is here, so the 7's here. Okay, and that's 4. So what are we looking for here? We need a 2, 3, and a 7. Okay, This can't be a 2 in here, so that means this must be a 2. So this leaves 3 and 7 for us right here. We don't know which one's which yet. I don't see any other way of eliminating it. Any other easy ones? Right here, not easy, but 4, 7. 4 is knocked out from here, so the 4 is here, 7 is here. Here we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're just missing a 2. Okay, and we can see from 2s that also works like that, which of course it has to because of how Sudoku works. We do know now that this eliminates the 2 from here. So 2 must be here, which means the 2 can't be here. 2's can't be here, and 2 can't be here. So this is 2. We know by elimination, this is obviously 4. We need a 1 in here. 1's out. So that makes this 3. And then that would make this one 4. Now we needed a 4 in here. 4 is knocked out. 4 is knocked out. 4. And we need a 2. This can't be a 2. And we need a 3. This must be a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And let's see what else we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. For this, can't be 4, so 4 is over here. Can't be 9, so 9's over here, so this must be 5. This needs 4, 5, 9, right? But 4 and 9 can't be here, so they're stuck here. Must be there. They're a pair. Can't be there. That's how I got that 5. 1, 2. This is going to be a 3, which means this is the 3. 3, 3, 3. You can see that works there. That means this is the 2, right? 2, 2, 2. We can see that obviously fits in there. 4, 7. This needs a 4, 7. We have the 4 here now to knock this out, so the 4 is obviously over here. This is a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. This has to be the 3, and we can see the 3's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So I still don't have anything on the 7, 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. I don't have anything on this 7, 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. This is a 4. Can't be a 4. This is a 9. This is going to trigger the avalanche. This is 9. This is 7. 9, 9, 9. This is 7. This is 7. 2, 3, 4, 5. That was very straightforward. I don't know how they rate these because sometimes other ones are harder. I don't know. So anyways, I started roughly about 11 minutes ago. So we're doing pretty good today. But like I said, that could all end right here with, apologies. That could all end with the kubok. Kubok is one of my favorite games. It's really mathy. So what you have is you have this 4x4 square. You have to use the numbers 1 to 16. You can't have any number twice. You have to use each one once. You must use each one once. These numbers on the outside, you have to add up to 4 to equal this. Okay? So for instance, this column 2 blank blank 5 with the numbers 1 to 16 must equal 20. This row 2 blank blank 8 with the numbers 1 to 16 must equal 27. You have to use 1 to 16 each once. You can only use each one once, right? So if you use all of them once, you can only use them once because there's only 16 cells. Okay, let's go ahead and get started and see what we got here. This is where this pen might hurt me on this one, but we'll find out. So what I always like to do is I like to look for 16 and 15. Where would they be? Because those are big ones. So right here we have 50 and 8. That means there's 42 left. 42 with 3 cells, right? So if I took 15, 14, 13, so I don't use the 16, 15, 14, 13, that equals 42. So I do not have to have a 16 in here, but I must have either 15 or 16. Do you understand that logic? I hope so. Again, 50 minus 8 is 42. So I'm like, what is the, if I take out 16, what is the max I can, how do I get 42? And it turns out 15, 14, 13, right, is what I need. And if I use anything less than that, right, because I can only use everything once. If I throw 11 in there, I don't use the 15, whatever, I won't get it, right? So I don't need 16, but I do know that no matter what, I have to have a 16 or 15. So there's different combinations with 16, right? I could have 16, 15, 11, 16, 14, 12, 16, 13, 13. No, so I have 3 different combinations for this. So I have, I'll put those up here in the corner, 15, 14, 13, 16, 14, 12, 16, 15, 11, but that's it, right? Because as soon as I go less than this on the second one, 16, 13, right? I have 29, I need 13, and I can't do that. So obviously I can't use anything below that. So I have a 16 or 15 in here, right? And looks like I'm going to have a 14 or 11 no matter what. But it doesn't help too much. Oh, wait. Duh. Look, 12 is eliminated. So I only have 2 possibilities. I either have 16, 15, 11, or 15, 14, 13. So no matter what, there is a 15 in here. I know that. That's good to know. Okay. So let's see any other odd ones. Here's an odd one. 38. 1. Right? So I need 37 here. That's actually pretty big too. Now imagine that this was 11, right? So it doesn't have the 15. I know the 15 must go in here. So that would be 26 left to get with 2, right? Well, I could do 14, 13 because this could be 16, 15, 11, 14, 13. Wow. Wow, that does work. I was hoping to eliminate something. I was hoping to eliminate 11 from the spot, but I can't. So if you want to see my logic there, 38 minus 1 is 37, minus 11 is 26. How can I get, oh wait, I can't, no, I did my math wrong. 14, 13 is 27. Okay, so if I put an 11 here, imagine I put an 11 here. What I'm trying to do is no matter what, I only have 2 combinations, 16, 15, 11 in this row, or 15, 14, 13. So if I put an 11 here, that's 12, I have 26. How do I get 26 now? And remember, if I put the 11 here, it means 16 and 15 are used here. Well, I can't have 16, 10 for 26. I can't use 15 because 15 is going to be over here. I could use 14, but I would need a 12. I could use 13, but then I need another 13. So this cannot be 11. Does that help? Yes, it does, just a little bit. So this lets us know that this is either, you know, there's only 4 possibilities, 16, 15, 14, 13. So let's go ahead and look at if this was a 13. Let's look at another low one. 1, 13 is 14, 24. How can I get 24? Now I would be using 15, 14, 13, so I can't use, oh, I could use 16, 8. No, I can't. Wow, this can't be 13 either. Okay, so watch this. If this is 13, that means 15, 14 is here. So 13 plus 1 is 14. Minus from 38 is 24. I got my hands in the front, and I'm really sorry about that. So 24. And so now how do I get 24? I have a 16 left, right? But the problem is the 16 would need an 8, and 8's here. And now I've used, so I can't use 16, 15, 14, 13 use here. I can't use 12. I only have 11 and 10. I can't use 13 here. 13 cannot be here. What if I put a 14 here? Okay, so we're just going ahead and we've wiped out 11, we've wiped out 13. Now let's wipe out 14 if possible. 14 plus 1 is 15. From 38 is 23. Now this one I can do because I can have a 16 and a 7 here because I'd be at 15, 14, 13. Okay, what if I have a 16 here? 16, 1 is 17, that's 21. I could have 14, 7, I could have 14, 7 is what I could have. Okay, so if I have 15, let's just do 15. 15 plus 1 is 16, 38, 22. There's a lot of variations though. 16.6, yes. 13.9, yes. Okay. So this is either a 16, 15, or 14, this one right here. And I'm not going to mark that. I think I can remember that. But it's not 11 and 13. Okay. Well, that was pretty good. Now I'm just trying to look for any other weakness. I think it's on this row. 16, 12. Well, let's go with the low one again. 11, 12, it's 23. From here is 14. How do I get 14? 9, 5, 8, 6, 7, 7, 10, 4, yes. 11, 3, yes. Or wait, you can't use, but you can have 10, 4. 10, 4 for sure. So 11 does work here. I need to find anything else that can really help me knock something down. 17 here. Unfortunately, I think it's going to come back to this one, and I am going to need a pencil. I'm going to have to get a pencil because I can't. Or I usually do this actually digitally. So just off the top of my head, I could be missing something. I could be missing another point that's really tight, but I just feel like this is the one here. So if I have 14 here, I'm going to draw in lightly. I hope you can see that. But if not, you just think about it. 14, 1, that's 15, 23. So to get 23, I could have 16 and 7. Well, I can't have 16 here, right? So this is 7. The only thing I can have here has to be, so let's actually take a look at this. 20, 2, 5. This is 7. This is 13, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the smallest I can put in here. So the maximum number in here I can have, everything needs to be less than or equal to 10. Okay, that's interesting. And so the reason I got that, imagine I have a 10 here, 5, 7, 15, 17, 3. 3 is the smallest number I can have. So that is the maximum number I can have there. Okay, so what did I say? 14, 5, 23, 23. This cannot be 10, but it could be 16, 7. What else do I have? I don't have 12. I would have 11. No, so it would have to be 16, 7 is what it would have to be. And if this, so this is how kubok works. So, okay. I have the 14 here. The only combination I have left, 14, 1, 15, 23, 16, 7. Remember, 15, 14, 13 is over here. 16, 7. So the next biggest one you can use is not 12. It would be 11. But I'd have to pair that with 12 to get to 23 remaining. So it isn't there. So all I can use is 16, 7. So I put that in there lightly, 16, 7. But now we have a problem. I think. No, we don't. So this would become 6. 2, 7, 9, 11, 20. So I'm just looking for anything that will eliminate this. Or it might end up even being right. But 16, 12, 28, 28. This is a big number. That means there's only 6 left. How do I get 6? Well, I get 6 with 4, 2, and 5, 1. And so this is eliminated. This can't be 16. Do you see that? 16, 12. In fact, I can't have a 16 in this row except for here. If the 16's here, plus 12 is 28. I need 6. How do I get it? 3, 3. Can't do. 1, 5. Already used. 2, 4. 2 is already used. Right? So I cannot have a 16 here. I can't have 16 here because 16 plus 5 plus 2 is already over 21. So I can't have a 16 in this row. Because I can't have a 16, I can't have 14. I can't have it, sorry, in these two spaces. So I cannot have 14 here. So now this is a 15 or a 16. Is there anything else? I probably should go with this. I just hate this because I'm gonna have to mark it up. I can't do this in my head. 15. And it's probably not, I mean, maybe it is 15. Okay, so like if this is 15, 16, 22. So there's multiple ways. I could have 16, 6. I cannot have 16, 6. I just went over that. So I can't have 6, but I could have 16, 15, 11. So I could have a 14 here. I'm looking for 22, so I have 14, 8. No, 13, 9 I could have though. 13, 9 does work. And I can't use 11, 11. So 13, 9 would be the only one that actually works. Wow. Okay, so, and I know I can't have the 13 here because that can't be over 10. So now 13, 12, I have 25. This would be 9. How do I get 9? 8, 1, can't do. 7, 2, can't do. 6, 3 works. 5, 4 does not work. So this, I would have a 6, 3 here, 6, 3. I don't know if you can see that. I'm kind of doing a real lightly. What I'm doing is I'm doing 3, 6, a 6, 3. And so now the 15 here, this had to be 16 and 11. So imagine that this is 16, or yeah, 16. 16, 3, 19, 24, 10 works. 16, 6, 22, 5, 27, 7 works. That's fine. If it's 11, 11, 6, 17, 5, 22, 12 does not work. 11, 3, 14, 5, 19, 15 does not work. So this would be 16, this would be 11, okay? 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 14, that works. 2, 6, 8, 8, 16, 11 does not work. So this is 3, this is 6, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 14, 2, 9, 5, 7, 16, 4, and this is 23, 27, 10, and this is 22, 27, 7. And I think we actually got the answer, and sometimes you get lucky like that. Okay, so I am going to risk it. I think I got the answer. 2, 14, 3, 8, this is 10, 27, that works. 11, 12, 23, 33, 37, 10, 23, 38, that works. 22, 29, 34, that works. 6, 15, 20, that works. 28, no, 24, 25, 32, 14, 10. I don't know why I said 28. 3, 12, 15, 28, 34. 8, 11 is 19, plus 31 is 50. So the answer here is this. And so hopefully you followed how I did that. Basically, what I did is I figured out logically that this could only be a 15 or 16. And then I went ahead and I just tried 15 to see what it would be. I realized with everything that's here, I can't have a 16 here. This was 13 was the only combination I could have through logic. This one ended up being, had to be less than 10. We did that by logic. So I put it in here and I just figured out the rest by logic and got this. Now, I never did fully eliminate 16 from here, right? But this just worked, okay? Now, we probably could go through and eliminate 16 from here, but that's beyond the scope of this. So we tried 15, it just happened to work. We only had 2 left, we had a 50-50 shot. Okay, so what are we at? That was actually, I thought, I got lucky on that one. I mean, because if I had tried the 16 here, maybe it would have took me a long time to disprove that. Now it's time for crossword. Okay. So we are at, when did I start, 23? We're just under half an hour. I said I'd give myself an hour. So I got 31 minutes to finish this. Dos plus uno, number 12. I just do this really erratically. trace. Once upon, now this is the USA Today puzzle. Is, you know, it's not like the New York Times, but I still, for us mere mortals, this is still, I think it's a good one. Underdog's victory, upset. So I'm just going through these. Heaviest fencing sword, I have no idea. Folklore, the long something studio, I have no idea. Insect in a colony, that would be an ant. Clean Energy Organization, I think that's the EPA. The long, 5, heaviest fencing, I have no idea. 1, drink with tapioca pearls, no idea. 15, mythical aquatic snake. Well, this is going to be serpent, S-E-R. You can tell that. But I have no idea. Notable period. They love this one. Era. Many characters in Ratatouille. They're rats. 19. White from a blackboard you erased. Oh, so this is pond. This is epi pond. The Golden Girls actress author. I don't know. Put together like furniture. Put together like furniture. What? Miners find or dynamite band. I don't know. Blank serpent. Drink with tapioca pearls. This is going to be a problem for me. Work on a DreamWorks movie, maybe. That would be animate. Right? They're the animators. Is this assemble? Assemble furniture. Drink with tapioca pearls. That's bothering me for something. Is it like a, they call it Lua or something? Or is Lua a Hawaii thing? I don't know. 3 down. The Golden Girls. I think her name is Bay. So this would be Sea Serpent. Roba? I think her name is Bay. Author Bay. Author? How do you say that word? Arthur. Is this BTS? Boba? Pina? I have really no idea. I'm going to move on. I'll come back to it later. Hand washing stuff. The soap, obviously. Right? I hope so. 8. Old-timey photo tent. No idea. The O and Roy G. Biv. That's orange. Roy G. Biv, for those of you, is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. And that is the colors of the visible light spectrum, right? Yeah. Ventilate, air out, probably. 29. Plane takeoff stat. ETA, I'm guessing. Warmest of the Great Lakes, so this is Erie. This is air out. This is ETA. Looked closely. I'm going to say looked closely. Peak. It's, I don't know. Remove the rind from. Opposite of major. Minor. Peered. Peered at, I would think. Maybe this isn't ETA. A league. So this isn't that. This is appeared, and this is ETD? What? What? This can't be right. Look closely. Appeared. Plane takeoff stat. ETD? I thought it'd be ETA. Estimated time of arrival. Plane takeoff stat. Remove the rind from? Is that pear? Old timey photo tent. Oh, man, I'm having troubles here. Respiratory organ, lung. Something made in air. Messed up. Status quo. Camera attachment, lens. Oolong or chamomile. This is tea. Oh, geez. Easter Islands country. Oh, man. Easter Island country. What was that? Peru. Chile. It's Chile. That's where they have the very interesting statues. 21. Abbott Elementary Channel. AEC. I mean, that sounds right. I'll pass. Nah. I'm just really just guessing here. iPart. Iris. This is herb? What's a herb? Herb and star go to herb? Is that right? It should be Earl. Is it herb? I have no idea what herb is. Anybody ever heard of herb? I don't know. 33, undercover operative, secret agent. It has to be close. Things are coming in. Edit down. Edit down. Oh, that's when you remove stuff. So you, I don't know. Mini. Good one. Garment that protects waves. Protects waves? What? Cream-filled French pastry. That's an eclair, but I don't know how to spell that. Is it EC? Something like that, I think. Part in a play. That's a role. Something on top. Beyonce hit. I don't really know her songs. Let Me Blow Your Mind rapper. Really have no idea who that is. Make changes to alter. 45. Phone notification. Those are our alerts. This has to be love on top. Eve. Let me blow your mind. Eve. Love on top. I don't know. I'm guessing. I'm thinking that's probably right. Word before party or park. Sharknado channel. I think this is sci-fi. Really? But they do it like this. Right? Person who pumps up a crowd. Do they do it like that? Person who pumps up a crowd. Huh. Place to get a massage. Spa. Let's just ignore some of these and go on to ones we can get. Sarah Parker Jessica's role on something. No idea. Is she Barbie? No, she's not Barbie. Frightens. This is easy. We gotta look for these easy ones that I can get. 53. Knight's protection. Armor. 56. Performs like ice spice. Say. What? 64. Firms up like jello. 61. Nicole Sheridan's role on Desperate Housewives. 43. Mardi Gras or Pride event. Parties? Parade. Right? Don't they have parades? I'm pretty sure. Pride has parade, I think, right? Is this Camille? Or, I don't know. Cassie, maybe? I don't know. Place for deodorant. Arm pit. So I was wrong on all my guesses for that, Sarah Jessica Parker. 64. Firms up. This is sets. Firms up like jello. Sets. 61 is 56. Performs like ice spice. Say wraps. 50 down. Stop and smell the roses. Carrie Edie. Oh boy, that was tough, but they came together with the downs. Should just stood with the downs. Lean towards. That's when you are making a decision. You prefer, I don't know. Some illustrator tool, pens. 65. Fashion initials. Joint bent during a lunge. That is your knee. Okay, got my first one in here. This corner. Cloud's place. Sky. Oh yeah. Is this easy? Is he? I don't know. Or is it yes? Wasn't there a yes initial for pants? Some illustrator tools. Spool on a fishing pole. That's called a reel. Get what I'm saying? C. I think this is C something. See my point. 46. Word before party or park. I don't know. Lean towards. Prefer. I shouldn't do that, but I am. Energy. Oh, man. 66 across. Glance over. Look. Peek. Reverse. I don't know. LLC alternative. ORG. Confidentiality doc. What is that? When you sign something. NDA. NDA. I'm pretty sure this is see my point, but I don't want to put it in there. 2,000 pound unit. This is a ton. Now I am positive this is C. My point. LLC alternative. This would become an ink. 66. Glance over. Scan. Reverse. Undo. It's gotta be 65. Fashion initials YSL. Is that right? I mean, this looks to be pens, but YSL. I don't know anything about fashion, so you know it. You tell me. Person who pumps up a crowd. It's like an MC, a DJ, announcer. This 46 down is word before party or park. Theme, party. Okay. So this is definitely pre-fur. This is pen, so this is YSL. I don't know what else it could be. Energy, pep. This is hype. 36 is many. Numerous. 39, garment that protects waves. Garment that protects waves. 48, bite-sized. Many? I don't want to put that in there. Hype. I don't know. 37, clouds. Oh, wait. 37 down. Edit down. Trim. There we go. Hype man. Mini. 40 down. SNL alum Gastier. I don't know. Spirit and an aviation cocktail. Jen. 39. Garment that protects waves. What? Durig? Do-rag? Is that it? So this one for sure. Do-rag, I don't know about. Where was the other one? It wasn't. It just seemed weird. This herb really bothers me, but it seems to fit. 21, Abbott Elementary Channel, AEC. 22, I'll pass, nah. 23, Iris. And then a symbol, ASSEMBLE. It's got to be herb, yeah, it's got to be right. Oh, but then this one too. This ETD is bugging me. 29, plane takeoff stat, ETD. What? 18 across, remove the rind from. I have no idea. Oh, this is sepia. I'm almost positive. Yes, I am actually sure of that now. I remember seeing it on my phone. I can see it in my head. I can't use my phone because I'm recording, but I'm almost positive that's sepia. So we will highlight this. I will check these out, but I'm pretty sure. So this, I'm almost positive. Peered. I feel like this should be Purat. This is 11. Looked closely. Peered. Yeah. Yeah. I think it is peered. ETD. I have no idea what ETD is. I have to look that up. And then this one, I have no idea. Pink with drink with tapioca pearls. I'm pretty sure this has got to be or. 2, miner's fine, or, right? That's what they're looking for. Fits with trace. This is sea serpent. This is a symbol. I mean, I don't know about this one. So this is, but I think it has to be B. So this letter right here and this one could be different. But otherwise, these and these are right. And these are right. But yeah, I don't know. Dynamite band. I'm going to say BTS. I've heard of a band called BTS, I think. So boba is a drink with tapioca pearls. I don't know. You guys ought to let me know. Crossword is my weakest thing. I am really happy. This only took 47 minutes. And my longest thing is the crossword, and the crossword is always my longest. Well, no, sorry. When the kubok 16, kubok 16, when that is on expert, this can take me forever. So I'll get the solutions. I'll find out about this, and we will cover that in the next puzzle before we do it. But I think this is pretty good. Do-rag, numerous. Yeah, so this has got to be right. This one, I don't have confidence. This has got to be right, but it seems weird. And then just no idea. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day.